Hi, excuse me, is this the right place to open an account?
Hello, could you please tell me if this is where I can open a new account?
Yes, you're in the right place. Please have a seat.
That's correct. Please take a seat and I'll help you shortly.
Thank you very much.
Thanks a lot. I really appreciate your help.
No problem. How can I help you today?
Not a problem at all. What can I assist you with today?
I want to open a new savings account.
I'd like to open a savings account, please.
Sure. Do you have your ID?
Of course. May I please see your identification card?
Yes, here it is.
Yes, here's my ID. Thank you.
Great. I'll make a copy.
Perfect. I'll just make a quick copy of this for your file.
Okay, thank you.
Sure. Take your time.
Please fill out this form.
Here's a form for you to fill out when you're ready.
What kind of accounts do you have?
Could you please tell me what types of accounts are available?
We have checking and savings accounts.
We offer both current and savings accounts.
What's the difference?
Could you explain the difference between them?
A checking account is for daily use.
A current account is mainly used for everyday transactions.
And savings is for keeping money, right?
And the savings account is for storing money and earning interest, correct?
Yes, that's right.
Exactly, you've got it right.
I think I'll choose the savings one.
I'd prefer to open a savings account, please.
Okay, we can do that.
Certainly, I can help you set that up right now.
How much money do I need to start?
What's the minimum amount required to open the account?
You need at least $100 to start.
The minimum opening balance is $100.
Okay, I can deposit that now.
Sure, I can make the initial deposit right away.
Do you want cash or card?
Would you like me to pay in cash or by card?
Cash is fine.
Cash would be perfectly fine, thank you.
Here's the money.
Here's the amount in cash.
I'll give you a receipt.
Let me prepare your receipt for this transaction.
Thank you.
Thanks, I appreciate it.
Your account is ready now.
Everything is set. Your account has been successfully opened.
Wow, that was fast.
That was really quick and smooth, thank you.
We try to make it easy.
We always do our best to make banking simple for our customers.
I want to take some money out.
I'd like to withdraw some cash, please.
Sure, you can use the ATM over there.
Of course. You can use the cash machine just over there.
Do I need my card?
Should I use my debit card for that?
Yes. Insert your card and follow the steps.
Yes, please insert your card and follow the on-screen instructions.
Okay, I'll take out $50.
I'm going to withdraw $50.
Don't forget your card.
Please remember to take your card when you're done.
Oh, yes, thanks.
Oh, right. Thanks for reminding me.
Did it work?
Was the transaction successful?
Yes, I got the money.
Yes, the withdrawal went through perfectly.
Great.
That's excellent news.
I want to send money to another account.
I'd like to transfer some money to another account, please.
Is it in the same bank?
Is the receiving account in this bank?
No, it's a different bank.
No, it's an external bank account.
Okay, please fill out this transfer form.
Sure. Please complete this transfer request form.
How long will it take?
How much time will the transfer take to process?
Usually 1 business day.
It normally takes 1 working day to complete.
Is there any fee?
Are there any charges for this transaction?
Yes, $5 for other banks.
Yes, there's a small $5 service charge for transfers to other banks.
That's fine.
That's perfectly okay, thank you.
I've filled the form.
I've completed the form. Here you go.
Can you tell me my account balance?
Could you please check my account balance for me?
Sure. Please give me a moment.
Of course, I'll check that for you right away.
Your current balance is $1,250.
You currently have $1,250 in your account.
Great. Thanks.
Wonderful. Thank you for checking.
Would you like a printout?
Would you like me to print a balance statement for you?
Yes, please.
Yes, that would be helpful. Thank you.
Here it is.
Here's your printed balance slip.
Thank you so much.
I really appreciate it. Thanks a lot.
You're welcome.
You're most welcome.
That's all for today.
That's everything I needed for today. Thank you.
I want to know about personal loans.
I'd like some information about your personal loan options.
Sure. How much do you need?
Of course. May I ask how much you'd like to borrow?
Around $2,000.
I'm thinking of borrowing around $2,000.
Okay. Do you have a job?
May I ask if you're currently employed?
Yes, I work full-time.
Yes, I'm working full-time at the moment.
Great. Then you can apply.
That's great. You're eligible to apply for a loan.
What documents do I need?
Which documents are required for the loan application?
Just your ID and proof of income.
You'll just need your ID card and proof of income, such as a payslip.
Okay, I'll come back with those.
All right, I'll return with the required documents soon.
Sure, we'll be here.
Absolutely. We'll be happy to assist you when you return.
Excuse me, my card doesn't work.
Sorry to bother you, but my card isn't working properly.
Let me check it for you.
No problem. Let me take a quick look for you.
It seems your card might be damaged.
It seems your card might be damaged.
Oh no, what should I do?
Oh, that's unfortunate. What can I do in this case?
We can issue a new one.
We can easily replace it with a new card for you.
How long will it take?
How many days will it take to get the new card?
About 5 business days.
It'll be ready in approximately 5 working days.
Okay, that's fine.
That's all right. Thank you for letting me know.
We'll call you when it's ready.
We'll contact you as soon as the replacement card arrives.
Thanks a lot.
Thanks so much for your help today.
Do you have internet banking?
Do you offer online banking services?
Yes, you can check your balance online.
Yes, you can easily manage your account and check balances online.
How can I sign up?
What's the process for registering for online banking?
I'll give you a form to fill in.
You'll need to fill out this short registration form.
Do I need a password?
Do you need to create a password for the account?
Yes, we'll send one to your phone.
Yes, you'll receive your login details via text message.
That's easy.
That sounds really convenient.
You can also pay bills online.
You can even use it to pay your bills and transfer funds easily.
Wow, that's useful.
That's super practical and time-saving.
I'll try that soon.
I'll definitely give that a try later.
That's all I needed.
That's everything I needed to do today.
I'm glad I could help.
I'm really happy I could assist you today.
You were very kind.
You've been incredibly helpful. Thank you.
Have a great day.
Wishing you a wonderful day ahead.
You too. Bye.
Thank you. Take care and see you next time.
See you.
Goodbye.
Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.